Hey everyone, I want to share with you this product here by Eber. It's a deep conditioning hair mask. I personally call it Miracle in a Box, and I will share with you why I call it that after I give you a bit of background about my hair. I have very dry, fine, weak, prone to breakage hair, even though it doesn't look it. Or actually it doesn't look it now. So I've got to be very careful. So going back to the Miracle in a Box, I was kindly gifted by Buzz Retail this product, and why I called it that, because it worked on my hair. Get 4 sachets in there, and it's got the mask. It's extremely easy to use. Get one out, comes in a sachet like that. Basically you it's inside, it's got like a cap where you open it, you put your hair inside it, and basically you seal it, and you just massage the it's got the product inside the cap, and you massage it for 2-3 minutes. You leave it on your hair for 20 minutes. Voila, you wash your hair and you get really nice, frizz-free, silky, hydrated hair. And this is after 1 use. So just imagine. It works at £7.50 a treatment. So you get a hair salon treatment at home for £7.50. Personally, I love it. You've got to try it for yourself to see how it would work for you. I highly recommend it. I will put the link in my bio in Instagram, and you know, also if you're watching YouTube or TikTok, I will also add the links there.